Many businesses rely on forms that their employees, vendors, clients, or customers complete. Creating Interact PDF forms can enable businesses and users to save time, reduce paper, and eliminate costly errors. Let's look how easy it is for your business to create fillable PDF forms with Foxit PDF Editor Pro. To add interactive form fields to an existing form created in another application, first convert the form to PDF. We can manually create each form field. The form field options include push buttons, check boxes, radio buttons, signature fields, text fields, list boxes, barcode field, image field, and date field. In this example, we want to make each form field a text field. The easiest way to do this is by choosing Run Form Field Recognition, and Foxit PDF Editor Pro will automatically recognize the text fields in the form. Lastly, click over the Hand button to start filling out the form. Continuing with the same example, we would like to make one of the text fields so only accept dates. To do this, click the Text Field button, right-click over the Date field, and then select Properties. Then go to Format and choose Date from the drop menu. Next, pick the date format you want to use and close the window. To check to see how the new form field looks, select the Hand button and click on the Date field. Now a nice calendar displays to select the date. To convert a scanned form image into a fillable PDF form, start by converting the document into a PDF. If you want to edit the content of the scanned PDF form, you will need to OCR the document. See the OCR tutorial for more information. If you want to make it a fillable PDF form without content changes, we can go directly to creating interactive form fields. Let's add a combo box to the state form field so people can have a list of state options when they're filling out the form. To start, choose Combo Box on the Form tab. Then draw a box in front of State, click over Properties and select Options. Here we would add different state options such as Florida, California, and New York. Lastly, go back to the Hand button to check how the new Combo Box field looks. Now you can choose a state from a list of options. Finally, we can generate a barcode in the form. To do this, select a Barcode field from the Form tab. Then draw a box anywhere you want to put the barcode. For this example, we want to put it on the header of the document. Click over Properties, choose Value, and Pick to select the form fields that you want to include in the barcode. Next, hit Close and the barcode will be generated. Create your own interactive PDF forms and start collecting data today.